Hey guys. Hey guys, wait. Hey, wait. Hey, wait. All right, you're my guy. You're my guy. I see you got the American flag. I hear there's Palestinian protesters. They're protesting in Grand Central. I need a ride there immediately to report on the news. I'm the schizo reporter. I'm the only one fighting Antifa. You got me on a ride to Grand Central?
Grand Central?
I gotta fight the Palestinian protesters. They're anti-American. All they want is to destroy America.
Who?
Can you help me out? I'm the schizo reporter. I'm the only person that has been fighting these Palestinian protesters for the past 3 months. I need to get there. They're cutting off transit. They're stopping free Americans from getting where they need to go. They're trying to destroy America. You know these people?
No, I didn't meet them. Are you recruiting me?
Because I'm the schizo reporter.
Oh, okay. Scatter reporter?
Schizo. It means I'm crazy.
Cool. Me too, crazy.
I'm just asking you for help.
Oh, free help?
Yes.
Oh, no.
To help a brother.
Oh, thank you, brother.
You're not. Oh, you're with the Palestinians.
Excuse me?
You're the Palestinian protesters
What do you mean?
at the campuses worldwide.
How do you know?
How do you know?
What do you think I am doing?
No, I didn't say. I'm just asking.
Don't ask. It's not your business.
I don't care if you are, man. I just hate Antifa. You know Antifa?
I don't care what you are too. And I don't ask you the weird question what you asking me.
Well, I'm asking you for a ride to help. I'm trying to fight Antifa.
I don't give the free rides. If you
Well,
want
how
to
much?
Be a hero, make the investment.
Well, how much to Grand Central?
Here to Grand Central for you $60.
All right, how about 10? How about 10 plus a tip?
Plus tip. What do you mean tip? The tip for $10 it will be $1.
Be 20%.
No, bro, you are cheap. Sorry.
I'm very cheap.
Yeah, thank you, brother.
I'm the brokest guy in New York.
No, me too. I'm more broke. And she's coming to help you. Lay down, lay down, lay down.
You gonna give me a ride?
Take him, he's sick.
Fuck you.
Fuck your mom.
Fuck you. Fuck you even more. Take that American flag off your bike.
It's not your business.
Take that American flag off your bike.
If you can take it.
Fuck you.
Take it. See who fuck who.
Fuck you.
Fuck you.
Fuck you.
Fuck your mom.
Fuck you.
Fuck your ass.
You think I'm insane? The fuck did I do?
Get the fuck.
Fuck yourself. Fuck you, bitch.
Your mom is bitch.
You are a bitch.
Your mom is bitch. Get the fuck out of
Your
here.
dad's a bitch.
Get the fuck out of here.
Your mother's a
Get the
bitch.
fuck out of here.
Fuck yourself.
Okay, then.
Fuck you. Right away, bitch. Right away, bitch. Your mom's a dirty slut. Hee-haw. Hee-haw. Is that the biggest one y'all got at the station?
We got bigger. He's medium.
Man, he's fucking huge. He got some big ass feet too.
Yeah. That's the thing. It's like hooks. Huge.
Yeah, they're
Big
huge.
crap. Those big hooves get in the way too.
No, I've seen a lot of horses. Like those are fucking huge hooves, man. No
They
joke.
make me feel nice.
Hell yeah. Oh yeah, you're probably the coolest on the NYPD, man. Coolest mustache on NYPD, man. Best horse, man. You running it. Take it easy.
Why you want to college?
I'm about to go cause some more chaos in your park, man. Fuck you mean?